Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a DEK Designs unboxing. I already took it out of the envelope, took out any personal information, and here we go. So, I get a lot of questions about where did I get that bookmark? And so a lot of the times I get these with my DEK orders. So it's an extra blessing and I love it. And that one's really cute. And then if you put your name in the comment, or if you put my name, pardon me, in the comment box, KRIS, you will get this freebie, extra beautiful overlay type sticker sheet. So this is all on clear sticker paper, if you can see that, and you can just overlay it. So these are just beautiful stickers to work with. And then I'm not sure if this comes with it as well, but I did get this extra and that it's really nice. So thank you, Dawn. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so let's get on to the order here. So this one is called a Shopping Spree, and it is black and pink and so very beautiful. Kind of reminds me of Coco Chanel. And then here are the date dots that go with it. And then the beautiful girls. Oh, I love those. Those are so pretty. All of them. Okay. And then here is the washi page. So this is a full kit. And there is the days of the week, the tags, the what I call like postage stamp stickers. And then just all the washi and then some more headers. So beautiful. Love that. Here are the half and quarter boxes. Really pretty. Oh, I love that those match. That's fun. Hey. Okay, I've seen that done on the big stickers, but not the little, like the half box stickers. And then here we've got the scallop and the banner, and then the half scallops, and then we've got all the work stickers, and then the decorative. So pretty. I know, doesn't that just remind you of like Coco Chanel, France, the whole thing, what we think, what I think, and I haven't been there. So here are the labeled headers, the glitter headers, the checklists, and then the weekend, and then these are just two small washies. And then here's the rest of the checklist, and they're in the form of a picture. How pretty are those? And these are in threes now, which makes it so much easier. So the days of the week, which I use for menu planning, and then 2 clipboard. Then we have some habit trackers, and then some just titled words, which so help. All right, so that was the first kit, and that one was Shopping Spree. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so here's some Hobonichi. I love this one. There's a place in Fredericksburg, Texas that looks like that. So these are the Hobonichi during the week, and I love these. These are so beautiful. And there's some more. Oh, goodness. So the decoratives, etc. So this is a 3-piece kit. Here's a, oh, I love that one. That one's gorgeous with the rose gold. So pretty. And then here are just decoratives and words like, let's see, errands, payday, workout, things like that. So that will be so helpful. Ooh, isn't that one pretty? Okay. And again, these are the Hobonichi Weekly. So pretty. Looks like there is a habit tracker of some sort and all kinds of other goodies. So pretty. I guess maybe that goes with this. I guess so. Oh, that's neat. Well, that's really pretty. That's a really pretty kid. Okay. And then here's this cute little one. Looks like a little cat. And teacups or coffee cups, however you want to see that. And then we've got that with the long washi. I love when she does the washi. It's so nice. Days off, coffee, happy meal. And then more of the decoratives. The weather trackers, if you track weather, I don't, so I just use them for other things. And then these I use in my menu planning when I use my Hobonichi Weeks this. And so there's some more decorative large stickers. So very, very pretty. Okay, that's it for Hobonichi. This is the July 2021. I'm thinking this is the B6 size, but I'm not 100%, so I would have to check that. And then here is the next size. And I'm wondering, this may be the cousins. Yeah, and yeah, the Hobonichi cousins. I'm not sure, but I'd have to try it. So that's for July. Yeah, and we did not get our mail for a long time, so that's why I'm so behind on getting that. All right, so that's it. What a gorgeous, gorgeous selection of stickers and extra goodies and extra fun. And if you are, oops, let me put that up so you can see better. If you are interested, you can go to dekdesigns.com. All information is listed below. Today is the Sunday special, and there's 4 new beautiful kits at a discounted price. And you can use my code below, my discount code, on other things. And then there's also the stuff that's on sale today. And yeah, so this is all dekdesigns.com. So, all right, friends, follow the information below and it'll help you get the best deal you can find. All right, guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. Sorry, I can hardly speak. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will be talking to you soon. All right, guys, y'all take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye.